Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share to you how to cook my own version of the Pinoy classic dish adobo. Today, we will be cooking classic chicken adobo but with a twist. I have it here around 12 pieces of chicken legs or drumsticks, washed, clean, and air dried. In cooking my chicken adobo, twist number 1, I like it marinated overnight, but this is totally optional. So here are the ingredients. Pour in 1 cup of soy sauce. You can use any type or brand of soy sauce you want. Then add in 1 cup of vinegar. Any type of vinegar will also do. Sokang Ilocos is a great option too. Then add in some bay leaves. Some whole peppercorns. Add in 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Eight to 10 cloves of garlic. You can crush the garlic if you want. Then for one more twist, I add in 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. This is also totally optional. Kung wala po tayong oyster sauce, okay lang po. Mix all together until the sugar dissolves into the marinade. Actually guys, you can use any parts of the chicken. I only have chicken legs in the fridge. That is why we got chicken legs adobo for today. But basically, a classic Filipino adobo is made up of pork. Yung may mga taba ang masarap i-adobo. Then, cover it up with saran wrap, or if you have a food container with cover, that is a good option too. Then, let it sit in the fridge overnight. Tara, magluto na tayo. Turn on your stove into medium high heat, then pour at least 2 tablespoons of oil into the pan. In cooking my adobo, I like to fry it first. Sear in the chicken pieces until lightly golden brown. In doing so, I want to seal the flavors of the marinade to our chicken. So okay guys, if you are done searing the chicken and they all turns into lightly golden brown, carefully pour in our marinade into the pan. Then cover and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Constantly check your chicken, stir it occasionally, be sure not to burn the bottom of the pan. Cover and simmer it again until the marinade thickens. Almost done, so I sprinkled some roasted garlic for more flavors and aroma. So okay guys, luto na ang ating chicken adobo. Let's transfer it to our serving bowl. So if you have any questions or comments regarding this recipe, just feel free to drop in your comments at the comment section below, and I will gladly answer all your questions. And pour in all the goodness, the richness coming from the marinade and that sauce. Oh, masarap siyang ihalo sa mainit na kanin. Serve this classic, yummy Filipino chicken adobo with hot steamed rice. O tara guys, kain na! There you go guys, hope you enjoyed our video. Please don't forget to hit like and leave a comment. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon notification for more videos like this. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye bye!